Everybody, welcome to the Steckline Report. $15,600 an acre. Hey, farmers, are you ready to buy some land? Got some for sale. And it's sold for that. We'll be back and talk about that in just a minute. Stand by.
I first got started in the cattle business. My wife and my father-in-law got me into it. I love dealing with the animals and being in the outdoors. At American Ag Credit, I know a lot of them are in the same business that I am. Therefore they understand what I need and what problems I'm against, so they can work with you on it, and it makes it much easier.
It's been passed down to me through the generations, and I want to pass it on down to the next generation or two.
Are you ready? Straub International, your Case IH dealer, has what you need to work longer and stronger. Our new high horsepower tractors and combines feature SCR technology for Tier 4A engine emissions, eliminating regeneration times. Right now, Case IH is offering special pre-order discounts with free DEF packages, cab upgrades, and special financing on new units pre-ordered through July 31st, 2012. Straub International, your Case IH dealer, has 7 locations to pre-order your equipment and be ready.
Well, friends, it's a record drought. There isn't any doubt about it. In fact, just talked to some people that are on the crop tour up in Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, and up through that part of the country, and every place they're looking. Corn is down from what USDA estimates those states to be. Soybean pod count is down too. They tell us that there might be a chance for a little rain to help. But I got to tell you, there's no drought when it comes to farm land. No. $15,600 an acre in central Illinois paid at an auction. In Kansas, we had $2,200 an acre for dry land near in Rush County, Kansas, and $280 an acre for 160 acres of Edwards County land. And my special guest today, I got to tell you, is loaning the money on all this land. Hi, Greg.
Hello, Larry. How are you?
I'm doing great. This is Greg Reno, Vice President of American Ag Credit, based in Wichita, Kansas, where we have got a drought going on.
Yeah, Larry, this is our second year or third year, depending on how you want to count. It's really starting to get serious in southern Kansas, Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and New Mexico.
Greg, as an ag lender, is that causing you heartburn?
Absolutely. We think about the drought and the impact on our borrowers every day. Matter of fact, we just had a conference call today to talk about things that we could do as a lender to help our customers through these tough times.
Well, speaking of that, are you nervous about doing business with a farmer today? I mean, do you have to take a look at the situation a little harder than you had in the past?
You know, Larry, being an ag lender is not an easy job sometimes. And as an ag lender, we want to be conservative in the good times and be courageous in the bad times. And right now, we're putting on our courageous boots.
I bet you are too. What are some of the things you're doing different?
You know, we're looking more thoroughly at a borrower's repayment capacity. Do they have the ability, given normal circumstances, to service their debt? And that's the thing that we focus on first and foremost. Secondly is liquidity. Do they have the liquidity to survive a period of extended drought without a crop, with higher feed prices? And are there things that we can do to provide them that liquidity to help them make it through those cases?
Crop insurance helps, doesn't it, Greg?
Absolutely. Without crop insurance, the drought would be devastating.
Yeah.
And nearly 100% of our customers are covered by crop insurance. That's helped them ride through.
Portfolio, just give me a quick response as to how it looks today compared to 3 years ago.
You know, overall, our customers' credit quality is very stable. We've had really a decade of extremely profitable conditions in agriculture, and as a general result, our borrowers have built a very strong balance sheet, lots of liquidity. Most of those folks are doing very well.
Feeling pretty good about it.
So far, so good.
Well, it must be feeling good about it because you're even loaning money now on a new entity.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, Larry, we have ownership in Ag Direct. Ag Direct is a retail program where a borrower can receive financing for a new piece of equipment or a used piece of equipment directly through their dealers. And most of the dealers that we do business with in Kansas and Oklahoma are signed up, and we're seeing record volume through that program.
How does a farmer participate?
All they have to do is ask their salesman for financing through Ag Direct.
And it doesn't take long, I understand.
About 30 minutes in and out. We're very proud of the program, very proud of the way it works for our customers.
Well, they're not giving up on agriculture, and in fact, if a farmer wants to buy that quarter next to him, you going to help him?
Absolutely, Larry.
What's interest rates going to do the next 12 months?
Larry, as low as they are, there's got to be some upward pressure at some point. We're seeing historical low rates. We've got a lot of customers taking advantage of that right now, but there will be upward pressure at some point. And we have programs to help people lock in interest rates to protect from rising rates.
So there you go. Don't give up on that sale next to you, friends. Get out there and wave your hand a little bit, but be careful. See you on the next Steckline Report.